I am absolutely in love with this exhaust, guys, and I truly mean that. The exhaust tone that it produces, in my opinion, is perfection. It's such a refined exhaust note that's deep and throaty, and with the Helmholtz resonator, you get basically no drone whatsoever, whether you're driving around town or cruising on the highway. Now, I know some people are gonna say, Kevin, it's just too quiet, but I don't think that the volume of an exhaust should dictate how good it is. Personally, I think it's a great volume. It's very much a gentleman's exhaust, so it doesn't need to be super loud because it just simply sounds fantastic. And here's a fun fact for you. This exhaust was actually developed for race cars over in Japan. So they tucked it up as high as they could to give you as much ground clearance as possible. And it also doesn't move around much at all, even when you're tossing the car around, because they add an additional hanger to achieve that. Now, I know some people aren't in love with the single exit look. I personally don't mind it. I do think that it would look a little bit weird if you don't do something about the exhaust hole cover or the exhaust hole on the other side. But with the APEXi exhaust hole cover installed, it looks perfect. I can't say enough about how impressed I am with the quality of both the exhaust and the exhaust hole cover. It looks like an OEM piece, and the exhaust itself is a work of art. The attention to detail with every single component and every single weld is breathtaking. I cannot wait to test this exhaust with other exhaust components, because right now I still have the stock headers and stock front pipe installed, so I'm super curious on how it's gonna sound with aftermarket headers and a front pipe. So let me know what you guys think. If you wanna pick one of these up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, make sure you hit that subscribe button to show your support. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.